Okay, so how's everybody doing? So this is a quick update on the sound install in the GP40-2LW CN unit with the Lock Sound version 5 with two TCS 28 millimeter speakers mounted in parallel in the A-frame chassis here. Now the good news is it sounds pretty good. The bad news is I can't put the shell over top because I don't have enough clearance now, because when I packed out these speakers, I thought I measured it right, but they're just a bit too fat and they bow the body out a little bit, and I just can't accept that. So I either remove two layers of the gaskets and remount these, or I just swap this out because it fits in my Dash 8, because I'm going to re that one anyway, and then just mount two sugar cubes in here in parallel. So I hope nobody jumped ahead of me and did that, but not all is lost. I could still use the speakers, but I'll give you a quick run up, notch up to 8 and down so that you can at least hear it anyway before I swap out the speakers, okay? It's not 8. And down. So anyway, that's a little bit disappointing, but things like this happen in the hobby, and I'm not afraid to share them with you. So I'm going to go back to the bench then, because everything else went good. The decoder works fantastic. This unit just crawls beautifully. And I'm going to dismount in two ESU speakers, and I'm going to try them in series. And have one in the front here and one at the back, as I showed in the last episode. Then I'm going to swap this out. We'll see how that goes, and I'll give you an update on that pretty soon, okay? So thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day.